Alright, we'll be back from the previous videos or from our previous mentorship videos. So we are continuing with our fourth episode in our mentorship or in our YouTube mentorship series. Alright, MarketWizards Forex Academy once again. So in our last video, we started about candlesticks. Candlesticks. And tugenda kuba continuing, or we are going to be following up or proceeding with our previous videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, anything you would want or anything you wish I could talk about. So we are still looking at the candlesticks. Still looking at the candlesticks. So these candlesticks, in the last video or more video I said I'll be using Luganda and English. Mu video yange yasembyeyo negedde candlestick zineeno ne mbagamba candlestick zineeno zifomingibwa up oba zikolebwa mu parts 5. Parts 5 zineeno twagambye tulinako body, tulinako high, low, open and close. Kati I want to see how these candlesticks are literally formed okubanga zina parties. Remember we said we have the bull candlestick or the bullish candlestick, and we have the bearish candlestick. The bearish candlestick, the bullish and the bearish. All right, so let me make this one green to represent what I'm going to be talking about, and I'm going to make this one red. All right, that's so what about trading. Tugakuba ne candlestick zineeno zigenda kubeera bbiri. Nenjagala ndabe candlestick zineeno, how are they formed? Parts 5 zijja zitya. We are going to say mu candlestick zino zonna tugenda kuba ne tuyita 0% level. Otugamba tuwano candlestick wegenda okubanga etandikirwa formingibwa on both sides. Let's say we are going to have that line, and we shall call that line a 0% level. Let me do like this. Let me try to write visual orders, interpret settings. All right, let me just have a text. Extend right, left. No, I wanted to add the text at the top. Let me do it middle center. All right, so I wanted to add here text, so that I call this a 0% level. Same stuff here. I will say that this will also have our 0% level. Kati ekingambisa nti njagala tubeere ne 0% level eno nti bwe tuba tu trading njagala tubeere nga tumanyi lwaki candlestick eno etandikira mu kifo ekyo kyennyini nnyini. Nti for example this point here, let me put this one here. Candlestick here for forming. Right now the market is closed because I'm making this video and it's a weekend. That's why it ends up having busobozi bugiraba forming. But I'll make a video when I will not chat you after this explanation. The candle will start forming from at that exact point. Into a butandiko forming waneeno ngevaayo. Remember we have the part called the open. When tutandika naming parties zaffe, and we're going to say that this is the open because our candle wave, candlestick eno eva kweno point, and we are going to call it the open. In the video ngenda zikola nga nzi breaking down so that njagala buli omu abeere nga ategeera oba nga amanya kyekituufu kye twogerako. So tugenda kukola bwe tuti. We're going to say that this is the open levels. So when this candle opens, it will go up. It will go up. So kande eno waba openings ne going up chiche egenda forming ekirala egenda tu forming ira part endala kugenda kubaako gye bayita this one will go down. Remember twagambye bearish kitegeeza genda wansi oba market kutambula genda wansi, bear candles zigenda wansi, bull candles ziba zigenda waggulu. Kyo twakyogeddeko mu video ezasembyeyo. Tugenda kufuna part endala gye tugenda okuyita body. Nafuna part gye tugenda okuyita body. You can see how these candlesticks start forming up their parts. Nafuna candle part endala gye tugenda okuyita body on either sides. So far we have two parts. We have the open and the body, either ways. So we're going to get another part called the cross. We're going to get another part. We're going to call the cross. Just right here. Inakuwa ne part endala yetuita close. Lwaki tugamba nti cross? Wano eno candlestick yaffe webeggaliddewo. Webeggaliddewo ng'endala tennaba formingibwa. Nyababuulira lwaki zino candlestick ziformingibwa in that particular interval. Wogirabira nti eforminze okusinziira ku budde n'ezo video zigakuwaza mu maaso. Kati tubeera ne parts zino eno. So far tulina parts ziri 3. Tulina body open ne close either ways. So tulina part bwaffe buneeno tujja bulaba mu maaso eyo. Tujja bulaba mu maaso eyo oba in the next video. Tulina part bwaffe buneeno bwe tulaba oba buyiseemu ku candlesticks zineeno. Bwe part buneeno tujja buyita either shadow, wick, mu maaso eyo. Naye now tugenda kuba tubuyita high. Tugenda tubuyita high ne low. Tubuyita high ne low. This will be the high. And you shall have the low just right here down. So this is how we come up with such parts of a candlestick. Nti bwe tubeera nga trading a candlestick wetu we formingibwa. Twasoose ne tulaba parts eina. Kati right now tuli kulaba candlestick eno ejjeetya okuformingibwa in such a way. So this is how the parts of a candlestick are formed. Kati in our next scenario tugenda kulaba tulabye open engeri gyejjamu, ne tulaba cross engeri gyeformingibwamu, ne tulaba body engeri gyeformingibwamu. Nakye tutannaba kulaba nti high ne lows neeno ziformingibwa zitya. We need to see that so that tube nga tutambulira ku clocked alignment. Nti twagala tulabe if we are trading, why do we say that we have the high and the low? How do we form these highs and low? But we are going to take a scenario. For example, we say that at this point, have this point here, and we shall call it a 1% level. A 1% level. And in the same scenario, tugenda kuba neno part eno tujagiyita -1. We shall call that one the +1 and this one a -1. Let us take a scenario nti market yagaliddewo awo. Kati kanene akantu formingibwa ke tuyitaka high kitegeeza nti market yayambuka nekoonako ku eyo point nesi we yagalirawo. Nti market eno we yali formingibwa nga candlestick eno yali formingibwa yona. Remember candlestick we formingibwa ne parts zayo zonna. So market we yambuka like this. Market we yambuka ne width like this. Yona. But at this point nesokeddamu kemabega ne closing irawo ebetwadde kye bayita high. Kyekimu ne wansi eno tujja kwongera tudiginge deep in the next videos. Kyekimu ne wansi nti market eleka kye bayita enkululo mu lulimi olwangu nti omuntu wokeera ku makya, for example obadde olivuga emmotoka olina wooli opaakinga, naye oba obadde oli paakinga nosooka otwala emmotoka eyo mu maaso, nosooka otwala emmotoka mu maaso like this, noddamuko emabega nomala oli paakinga mmotoka ogitwalamu bati emabega, for example like this, ng'obadde olivuga nogitwalamuko mu maaso like this, mana ogamba waneno tejja bulungi kansikemu emabega katono paakingi. Obanga obudde bubadde bwa nkuba, kitwale nti obudde bubadde bwa nkuba ng'opaakinga, ettaka wansi oba the tires will leave demarcations, oba emipiira gijja kulekawo enkululo. Kati ne mu market weba etambula, buli we pushinga waggulu oba ne pushinga wansi ku candlestick zino eno zireka kye bayita enkululo. Kati enkululo ezo ze tujja olaba nga highs ne lows ze tujja okulaba, tujja zitaminga nga wonaagamba enkululo za market. I hope I'm clear. Kati so this is how a candlestick is formed when trading. Candlestick zonna zifomingibwa in such a way that makes them look easier and simple. So in the next video ngenda kuba ntandika ku kye bayita candlestick patterns. Oba no. In the next video tugenda sooka twogere ku different examples and kinds of candlestick. Otunamala oziraba tujja be combining after looking at different types of candlestick, the most bullish, the hammer, the bena tukabirabirawo, then tulabe ne candlestick patterns. Yeah, after that then we shall be proceeding. Just stay on the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment for the next episode or any clarification. Osobola otugamba nti waneno saategeddemu bulungi nsaba kunziriramu. It's fine and good. Nekirala, if you want a physical class, we are located at Mirembe Complex, Kireka. Nekirala, oyagala physical class, again you can comment, I will reply you. Oyagala physicals, you can comment, I will reply you. If you want our ebook, the book that contains all this content, again you can comment, I'll come and I will reply you on our channel. Thank you. Have a blessed nice time.